Whenever your customer reports an issue, you can log a call into the system. Let's say your customer's name is ABC. You just type part of the customer's number and say search. It will show you all the equipment you have given to that customer. You tap on the serial number and you register his complaint. That's all. I tap on finalize and the call will get registered into the system. An email will automatically be sent to all concerned people plus to the engineer to whom the call is automatically allocated. Your call number is 1229. That's all. The call that you just logged will now appear in your back office software as shown in the screen. The last call number 1229, is the call that we just logged. We shall now close this call. I tap on call close. I tap on the call number. See, you can see call number 1229 of customer ABC. I tap on that. Okay. I tap what time I start traveling. When I finish traveling, I tap on that. When I start my work, I start on that. All date time is automatically captured by the system. When my job is over, I say work end. I key in the service details, whatever I've done. Maybe I cleaned the machine. And probably I replaced a few parts. Right, and maybe you're going to charge the customer 3,000 in whatever currency you want. You can put in the real reason for the breakdown. Maybe it was a cable problem, right? And if I tap parts replaced, I can even track the parts that I have replaced. Maybe we replaced a dial and the serial number of the dial is something like this, and maybe I replace something else, or batteries. Maybe I put in a battery and the serial number of the battery is okay. You can monitor even the spare parts, and I say finalize. Say yes, and the call is now closed. That's all. An email will be automatically sent to all relevant people. What you're going to see now is optional. Only if you want, you can take the customer's feedback and signature. The engineer will hand over his mobile to the customer, and the customer can give his remarks. Okay, see, the first call 1229 is of our customer. He taps on that. The customer can see all the details that he has that the engineer has entered. If he wants, he can even grade the engineer. Maybe he gives him an excellent. He can put whatever remarks he wants. Okay, and he says okay. That's all, and he finalizes. He agrees that the call is closed, and the customer can now put his signature. Okay, see, here is the customer's signature. The customer will put his name and he just taps on save. That's all. The entire cycle is over. This is the service report, which is instantly and automatically generated by the system without even a single click. Please go through the report. It has all the details, right from what was the complaint that was logged in, who was the engineer who is gone, what did he do, how much did he charge, what were the spare parts that were replaced, how much was charged, and the customer's feedback is over here, and here is the customer's signature. That's all. We hope you liked it. Thanks.